Hi guys! I'm John. Welcome back to my channel, John and Drinks, kung saan pwede kayo matuto ng tips and tutorials on how to make drinks, cocktails. So if you're new to this channel, make sure to click the subscribe button and let's make some cocktail. Guys, I'm going to show you how to make pink dragon fruit cocktail. Madali lang siya gawin guys. 4 ingredients at ang mga kailangan nyo ay dragon fruit, lime, sugar syrup, vodka, soda water. First, let's chill our glass. Let's put some ice. And ang kailangan natin dito ay shaker. So kung wala kayong shaker guys, pwede kayong gumamit ng mga empty na garapon, yung glass, and then yun yung shake yung cocktail. Pero syempre, hinay-hinay lang sa pag-shake. So first, is sugar syrup. Kailangan natin guys is 15 ml. Next guys is lime juice, 15 ml. Dragon fruit, freshly cut dragon fruit. So lagay natin siya sa shaker. Around mga 150 grams okay na yun. And muddle natin siya guys to get the juice ng dragon fruit. Once you already get the juice, the next ingredients guys is vodka. Bakit vodka guys? Maganda ang vodka especially kung ang cocktail na gagawin mo is more on juices para ma-adapt niya talaga yung flavor ng juice at di niya ma-overpower yung taste kasi nga ang vodka is more or ano siya ang characteristic niya kasi tasteless, odorless, tsaka colorless. So okay lang vodka sa mga mixed drinks especially with fruit juices. So, kailangan natin is 60 ml. And all ingredients are in the shaker. Now we're going to put some ice and shake our cocktail. Glass kasi may mga water na content. Drain to the glass guys. And our last ingredients guys is soda water. Itatap lang natin siya konti sa cocktail. Our pink dragon fruit cocktail. Kuha natin sa guys. Guys, thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful and want to see more videos about cocktails, mocktails, and bar, don't forget to click the like and subscribe button and see you on the next video. Cheers guys!